So the first question, which of the following articles was amended by the Constitution 50th Amendment Act 1994? Option number C is the correct answer, Article 33. Question number 2, which of the following articles was amended in the Constitution 5th Amendment Act 1955? Option number A, Article 3. Question number 3, which of the following amendments act led the insertion of Article 21A? Option number C, 86th Amendment Act 2002. 4. The Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, which provides for the more effective prevention of certain unlawful activities of individuals and associations dealing with terrorist activities, was first put into effect in India in the year. Option number B, 1967. 5. Which amendment in the Indian Constitution is related to the extension of jurisdiction of high courts to union territories? Option number B, 7th Amendment. 6. The 71st Amendment to the Indian Constitution included Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali languages in the schedule. Option number A, 8th schedule. 7. The 89th Amendment Act 2003 of the Indian Constitution established which of the following commissions? Number D, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. 8. Which among the following constitutional amendments of the Indian Constitution deals with the formation of Sikkim as a state? Option number A, 36th Amendment Act. Question number 9. Under which amendment to the Constitution Act was the reservation for OBCs in educational institution made? Option number C, 93rd Amendment. 10. The Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021, which passed in March 2021, amended the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Act. Option number D, 1991. Question number 11. Which of the following amendments of the Constitution of India gave the status of a state to Goa? Option number B, 56th Amendment. 12. An amendment to the Hindu Succession Act 1956 was passed in the year. Option number B, 2005. Question number 13. Which of the following amendments acts of the Indian Constitution abolished the privy purses and privileges of former rulers of the princely state? Option number B, 26th Amendment Act 1971. 14. Which amendment to the Constitution of India added a new subject in the Union list called taxes on services? Option number D, 88th Amendment. 15. Which article has a similar provisions to that of Article 32 and deals with writ jurisdiction? Option number D, Article 226. 16. Which article in the fundamental duty applies when a construction worker takes his 8-year son to the site rather than sending him to school? Option number B, Article 51A, subclause K. 17. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution cannot be suspended even during an emergency declared on the grounds of war or external aggression? Option number B, Article 20 and 21. 18. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution cannot be suspended even during an emergency declared on the grounds of war and external aggression? I think it's a repeated question. Option number B, 20 and 21. 19. Which of the following articles prohibits traffic in human beings and forced labor? Option number B, Article 23. 20. Which clause of Article 20 incorporates the doctrine of the double jeopardy? Option number B, 2. 21. Certiorari comes under the Option number B, right to constitutional remedies. 22. How many fundamental duties were recommended to be inserted in the Indian Constitution by the Soren Singh Committee? Option number D, 8. 23. Citizens are not discriminated against on the basis of religion, caste, or sex because of. Option number D, right to equality. 24. Abolition of titles is mentioned in which article of the Indian Constitution? Option number B, Article 18. 25. Article 21 is related to which of the following fundamental rights? Option number C, protection of life and personal liberty. 26. If a person who is arrested is not produced before the magistrate within 24 hours from the time of arrest, he will be entitled to be released on the writ of. Option number A, habeas corpus. 27. Which of the following articles guarantees the right to equality before the law and the right to equality protection of the laws? Option number A, Article 14. 21. 28. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that every religion, denomination of or section shall have the right to own and acquire movable and immovable property? Option number A, Article 26, subclause C. 29. Which article of the Indian Constitution mentions that no person shall be prosecuted and punished for the same offence more than once? Option number B, Article 20, subclause 2. 30. Which article of the Indian Constitution clarifies that policies like reservation is not a violation of the right to equality? Reservation is not a violation of the right to equality. Number A, Article 16, subclause 4. 31. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution mentions that the fundamental duty, sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India is mentioned? Option number C, Article 51A, subclause C. 32. The Central Bank of India or Reserve Bank of India was created before the independence in the year 1934. The recommendation to create a central bank was made by a commission called. Option number D, Hilton Young Commission. 33. Which of the following commissions or committees identified the existence of legal provisions for implementation of some of the fundamental duties? Which of the following commissions? Number D, Justice Verma Committee. 34. Rangarajan Committee is associated with. Option number D, estimation of poverty. 35. Which of the following commissions recommended that the appointment of governor should be non-partisan? Option number C, Sarkaria Commission, 1983. 36. How many members are there in the Committee on Public Undertakings in India? Committees on Public Undertakings. How many members? Option number A is the right answer, 22. 37. Which commission recommended 27% reservation for OBC candidates in all levels of government services? Option number B, Mundal Commission. 38. Which of the following options is the legislative organ of the Union government? Option number D, Parliament. 39. Who has the power to regulate the right of citizenship in India? Option number A, Parliament. 40. In which year was the Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Council abolished? In which year was the Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Council abolished? Option number C, 2019. It is a homework, guys. 1/3 of the members of the state legislature council retire every dash years. You have to answer up this question in the comment section. Alright. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also, you can download PDF from my Telegram channel. The link in the description. Alright. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.